Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Langley Event Center. Game number 2 in this new league, INHL, I believe. Last week I played against this team that I'm playing for tonight. It's like a drop-in style league, so they randomly draft players every day for their roster until the playoffs start, and then they solidify it. It's 3 subs. But tonight we're running a little short, so each team has 5 players. Pirates versus the Vikings. And we are wearing the Oiler colors. 1 referee, 5-on-5, everybody's on the ice. Dual GoPro action tonight. Got the GoPro Hero 4 Silver behind the net and the GoPro 7 Black in the net. And we're underway. 3 10-minute periods, stop time. Should be facing a lot of work tonight. You got it, corner. Oh, fuck, full. And just like that. First shot of the game. Centering pass right in the slot, and you whipped it 5-hole. Right along the ice. There it is, 2-2-2. Oh yeah. Nice shot. And it's 1-1. Nice 2-on-1 play. High blocker side. And the Vikings tie it up at 1. Feet.
You want to pull a block out, or you want the shot, right?
Yeah, sure.
You want the shot?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll yell at screen next time. Feet. And a big shoulder save there. There's a 2-on-1. And I had to stay on the shooter. Luckily I got the shoulder up on. There's a rink-wide pass. Good pressure by the Pirates, but the Gopro goalie makes the saves and keeps it 2-1. And it's 3-1. No chance on the rebound. Fuck. And here come the Pirates on a 2-on-1 from center. And it's 6-2. Right to the net, boys, right to the net. Yes. And we get one back. And it's 6-3. With 7 minutes to go in the second period. And it's 8-4. Good stick, good stick. 2-2-2. And the Vikings get it. There it is. Right to the net. And it's 8-7 and a power play goal just like that. That was a big save at the end on a breakaway. 8-7 with 10 minutes to go. There it is, there it is. Yeah. Oh, what a beauty. And it's 8-8. The Vikings have battled back. We just needed shots. We just needed shots and we got it. 8-8. And that last save by the Gopro goalie was massive. And can you believe it? It's 8-8. Slot, slot, slot. Good job, man. And a big save by the Gopro goalie. And the Vikings. And here's a 2-on-1. And it's 9-8. Just gassed on that one. And here come the Pirates on a 1-on-1. Two. Here's a 2-on-1. Scores! And it's 9-9. Big save again on one end. Oh, and they hit the post. And a goal post. Loose, and they score! And it's 10-9. Scores! And it's 11-9. Number 9, a sharp corner, and it pings the post and goes in. And it's a 2-goal lead with 4:25 to go. And the Vikings have the momentum momentarily. Good job, 9. Good job, Glenn Anderson. 3 minutes to go. 11-9. Yeah! And it's 12-9. And the Vikings take it from the face-off and drive it right to the net and pop it in. And it's 11-9 with under 3 minutes to go. And remember those big saves on the 2-on-1 and the breakaways. Beep it, you got it, you got it, you got it. Here's a breakaway, Vikings in. Scores! And it's 13-9. Good job, boys, good job.